Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your dropshipping growth with Google Ads, detailed guide step by step clearly. To scale your dropshipping growth with Google Ads, start by conducting thorough market research. Identify your target audience and understand their preferences. Analyze your competitors to discover what works for them. Next, create a Google Ads account if you haven't already. Set up conversion tracking to measure the effectiveness of your ads. Define your budget based on your financial capabilities and goals. Use keyword research tools to find relevant keywords for your niche. Create a list of high-intent keywords that potential customers might use. Organize your keywords into tightly themed ad groups for better relevance. Craft compelling ad copy that speaks directly to your audience's needs. Utilize engaging visuals to complement your ad messaging. Set up your campaigns with a clear structure, select campaign goals and types. Choose between search, display, or shopping ads based on your strategy. Implement ad extensions to enhance your ads and provide additional information. Review your bidding strategy to determine whether to use manual or automated bidding. Launch your campaigns, but monitor their performance closely. Regularly check your Google Ads dashboard for insights and metrics. Adjust bids for underperforming keywords and allocate more budget to best performers. Conduct A/B testing on your ads to identify what resonates with your audience. Consider retargeting campaigns to reach users who have previously shown interest. Utilize customer lists to create lookalike audiences for better targeting. Refine your landing pages to ensure they convert clicks into sales. Analyze your Google Analytics data for deeper insights into customer behavior. Continuously optimize your campaigns based on performance data and trends. Stay updated with Google Ads features and algorithm changes for ongoing refinement. Scaling your dropshipping growth with Google Ads requires patience and iterative improvements. Commit to regularly reviewing and adjusting your strategies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.